Hi, good day everyone. This is Alex Orate or Orato from RNI. So here's the three reasons why I applied for this position. First one is for professionally growth, or I mean a professional growth and new challenges for myself. Second is for deeper contribution to the company's success. And lastly is for career advancement. By stating these three reasons, I can relate my qualification to why I am suitable for this position. First, having been with the company for many years, like many years now, uh, I've mastered my current role and I'm ready to take a new challenges or new challenges that will help me grow or help me further grow both for professionally and personally. Second is I want to use that experience to create a bigger impact to the team. I mean a bigger impact and help the team and the company to reach the new goal. Last is after years of dedication and consistent result, I see the opportunity as the next step in my career growth. Now, for doing a when I do demonstrated for a teamwork during one of our peak season, I just remember that was way like last year ago or way back years ago. Like we are handling a high volume call or we're getting a high volume call, and some of our newest agents were actually struggling to meet their targets. So as a tenured employee, I act as a member of the support team and took initiative to assist them by giving some tips and sharing my knowledge for those difficult customer so they know how to handle it. By working together, our team was able to meet our target and maintain our quality performance. Now, as a good team player for me is someone who understand that success is a group effort, like working as a team. It cannot be done in just only one person. It can be worked with the whole team itself as a team player who is willing to help when needed and open for any feedback that will improve each and every one. Now, for when it comes to managing stress or stress management, for me, I handle it by staying calm or staying organized and focused to myself. And I prioritize tasks based on the urgency of our client, of course. I remind myself to stay calm, and when the things, getting too busy or get busy, I rely on teamwork, like I'm asking for an assistance like our support team. So if I don't know something, so I rely on a teamwork or like working as a team. That's all. Thank you for your time, guys. And again, this is Alex Ray from RNI. Thank you so much.